Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We got some good stuff. We're moving into that fall time kits, and I am so excited. We have 2 reformats and a new kit, and then also a wiggle and some foil items. Mystery will be shipping, if this is Monday and you're watching this today, either today or tomorrow, and then the release video will be up Wednesday. I was going to ship it last week, but things happened. And yeah. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let me zoom you guys in. So let's go over the foil items first. So we do have some new foil items coming to the shop, and all 4 foils as always. The first thing here is a fall bucket list. We have, I think, the spring and summer one up in the shop already, but these do come in all 4 foils, and I'll leave it right here if you want to pause it and read them all. Then we do have 2 regular size scripts coming. So we do have the Brainstorm script, so cute. And then we also have the With Hubs script. We did release the With the Boys, With the Girls, With My Love, and then I will be doing a With the Kids that has been highly requested as well, but that will take a little bit since my foil is not made in-house. We do have a wiggle coming out this week, which I'm really excited about. I love this foil color. We have not had anything like this before in the shop, and I'm so excited about it. We have tried for foil colors like this before, but it just never comes out this purple, but this is the prettiest purple ever. It's a deep dark purple, gonna be perfect for Halloween, but also perfect for any kit that has a dark purple in it. And it is in the star format, but I just love a dark wiggle. It's so pretty and purple. It is in the star format, so you have your bottom washi, you have your scripts, your icons, and then you have 6 of these sheets here, which have the 7 headers. You have the half cut headers, which can also be layered too as a regular header, and then you have the 2 full boxes, and again you get 6 of those. There's also the icons and the date numbers, the food and drink doodles, as well as the star mini decos. But I just love this, and I am so excited to use it probably this year during Halloween, I think. But that is the wiggle for this week. It is on special pricing for the first 48 hours with new releases, which new releases go up Wednesday at noon Eastern. So we'll go over the new art one first, and then these are all reformats. But all these collections are in our newest format with the new little things, So let's go over these. So this one is called Fall in Love, and it is practical magic inspired art, which I love it. Practical magic art has been on my things that I want to do for custom art list for forever, basically, but it always just gets pushed. But Kanish just delivered, and she just released it in her shop, which is just amazing. I just watched it again recently with Nick, and I just grew up watching this movie, and I love this kit. I think it's so pretty and romantic. I think it's a perfect anytime kit, obviously, because you watch Practical Magic anytime, but I think it'd be really pretty either August into September if you're doing a full-blown September, October, Halloween, or you could do it a September and October if you're doing just a fall to Halloween transition. So either way, I think it's so pretty. I love this scene. I love the girls, obviously, because they're babes, and then just all of the all the stuff. This movie gets me. So you have your extra full boxes over here. I love these patterns. My favorite is this maroon one because it's so 90s-esque, which I just love with the little flower print. You have your deco, again, super pretty fall colors. This reminds me of Kirsten's wedding kit almost with the colors, basically super cute. Oh god. Kirsten was what am I gonna use for mine and Brian's anniversary? This would be cute just because of the colors, but Kirsten, I like the idea. We have better for your anniversary. I like it better. It's gonna be really cute. And then you have the functional, you have the half boxes, you have the icons, and then the new little things page, and then the bottom washi with just the flower petals, which I just think is such a good part of the movie. And then this has the clear paper script freebie, and I just love this kit. Obviously going to be using it, and it's gonna look so good in my planner, and I'm so excited. It also does come in a mini kit. We are doing unlimited stock on the mini kits for the first 48 hours, as per always. You have the same full boxes page, the same deco page, the same functional page. You have the new mini kit page, which I love this page so much. I need 10 of them. And then you have the bottom washi, and then again you have the clear script freebie in there, which are super cute. Kirsten actually used the black scripts in her last plan with me, and they looked so cute. There's also add-ons if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, or also the glitter headers. As for foil, rose gold, it would be really good with this. But also gold, silver, I think champagne lights would be really pretty with it. I think champagne lights looks good with everything. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do because I feel like rose gold would be really pretty. If you have the rose gold and the matte taupe from Advent from last year, I think that would be a really cool one to do because it's so like, I don't know, just really cute and like good colors. So then as far as the other kits go, this has been so highly requested to bring back as a reformat, and it is Haunted Magic, and this is one of my all-time favorite kits. I would say within the top, like, actually, like, I'm trying to think. I think that this actually might be my favorite kit ever. I think it might be. I think this might be my favorite kit ever. I can't really think of a kit that I love more. I will be using this. I don't know if I'm going to use it during Halloween or if I'm just going to use it the next time we go to Disney, or like, you know, in that like realm of like one of the next times that we go to Disney, because like once I'm going to Disney again, like I'm just going, like I'm like closing my life, like it's done, I'm just gonna go to Disney. I did reformat the boxes. I was like kind of debating. I was like, I feel like the old boxes were so good, and I was like, I'm just gonna try and do new ones, see what happens, and like if I don't like it, I'll just do, you know, I'll just do like the old boxes. But I really love the way that this turned out, so I was like, here we go. I did kind of like put different elements in it. Like there are obviously some things that were in the full boxes before, but then I did some different things in the full boxes. And then also I recolored this candle, which I was really excited about. I was like, Jess, I need like one more thing here, like a flat lay item. And she's like, you have that candle from July Mystery. And I was like, oh sweet. So I recolored it, and I think it looks so good with the rest of the stuff. But I just love this. And I love there's the extra full boxes, which are just so cute. And I also changed the colors up, which I did with the next kit too. Because like, I'm going to use this kit twice. I would have used it twice even if I would have kept the full boxes the same and the colors the same. But I think like changing one color, just like it does something for the kit that like makes it different. So I don't like, yeah, I could definitely use this twice. Again, I think that this would look really pretty with gold, it would look cool with like a hollow, sparkly hollow. It would look good with gold and silver. It would look good with champagne lights. It would look good with the black prism, oil slick if you have it. There's a lot of different foils this would look really pretty with. You could even do the purple that's coming out this week with it. Would be really neat to pull in. There's like lots of options, and I just absolutely love this kit. I love the patterns. I feel like the art's just like a timeless classic SPC moment that we all need in our planner. I just love this. It's not really a blue. It's kind of like a muted, it's like a slightly desaturated seafoam. That's what I want to call it. But I love this. And you have the faux gold throughout, and then the bottom washi, you need the classic pattern, the extra full box. Like you have so many full boxes in this kit, it's honestly not even funny. The extra full box with the ultimate and the mini is like another double box scene. So I did like a more zoomed in of like the yard, and then it has the three of the tombstones, which I just think would be really cool. Like if you did this on the weekend and then you had it like open up and then this was like also there, but then you had your plans on the side maybe. I think that'd be really cool. Or if you had this flip up and then this was like up here and then you had your plans here. I think there's a lot of options. I think you could also kind of use these by themselves if you want. Again, you can also, like really any double box, I feel like you could kind of like do by itself if you wanted to do like a quote box or something, but there's like a lot of full boxes here. I'm honestly so excited to use this kit again. I'm just gonna have trouble. I think I'm gonna put it in my Halloween lineup, and then if something like changes and I want to use like a different kit from like art that I don't know about yet, I'll kind of like, you know, I'll kind of like just put this one into my like Disney pile, but I'm definitely using this again. Last year I used this in August for the 50th anniversary of Haunted Mansion in Disneyland, and it actually ended up being the week that I found out I was pregnant with Theo, which is just like, it's just so special. Then I have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There are the Fashion Girls, which I just love. This so cute. But yeah, they're just like a great addition to the spread. You have the label sampler and also the glitter headers if you want to add those on, which have like the faux gold throughout. So that is Haunted Magic. I'm so excited about it. And then I also have another reformat this week, which is called Pumpkin Patch. This came out last week. I feel like my lighting's doing a weird thing. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys noticed that. I was debating on reformatting this year, and I was like, I'm just gonna play around with the full boxes and see what happens. And I ended up just going hard and even doing fam for it. That's how hyped I was. Again, I changed out one of the colors. I did some different things with the full boxes, and I think it looks so cute. So let's go ahead into this one. I'm for sure using this year. Again, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I used this last year, but I'm using it again this year because I love it so much. So full boxes are pretty much completely different besides this one and this one. I have different girls up top here. I think last year there was no girls in the full boxes, but I think these are super cute. This was in the couple, and then this was just the regular fashion girl, but I thought they look cute together as friends or girlfriends or whatever you want to do there. And then also this girl is from one of Kit & Jess's new fashion packs, which I just love, 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 love. And I thought she looked really cute there, and I'm just I'm here for all the girls. And then you have the little Polaroids, the little outfit, the pumpkins, which I love pumpkins. I think they're so cute. And then the extra full boxes here on the Ultimate is the Scarecrow, and then also the old pink truck. Love the colors. So this year I did switch out the orange for this nude, and I think it makes it a little bit more classy, which is so cute. Just so pretty. I love this. And there's tons of orange in the full boxes, so I feel you're still getting the orange in there. And then you have the new little things page, and then the bottom washi, which you guys know that I love plaid. And then this is the freebie. You get the clear with the black scripts. We do have if you're into the black scripts, we do have a sampler in shop too, under the script sampler listing. It's also in black and white. So that is the Ultimate kit. It also does come in a mini. We do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, the glitter headers. I just love these colors. It reminds me of a kit, but I can't remember. But it was also a fall kit. I don't remember. And then also another fashion girl add-on. This girl is actually the recolored girl from July Mystery. I had so much fun recoloring this, especially the scarf. I just love recoloring things. It's so fun. And then I also do have a fam option here. So this is just kind of a little different than last year's. I think last year also had a fam. So you have the two different couple options here. You have a tall fashion girl, a little hand holding situation here with a kiddo, a baby, and then two kiddos. So I love this. I think it is super cute. I was saying that in Fam 3, this could be me and Kirsten. It's so cute. So this is Fam 1. They're always the same. So if you always buy Fam 3 will match your family or whatever. Fam 4, Fam 5, and Fam 6. Oh God, so cute. I love this girl here. She's from Egg Hunt. Love her so much. And also these two are very Frankensteinable. I know I usually grab Fam 3 and Fam 6, and Bennett has blonde hair. But I know a lot of people like to grab whatever, matches and then just kind of cut. And these are both very Frankensteinable. That's gonna be a new planner word, Frankensteinable. So I think I actually put that on a mood board once to Kit & Jess, make it Frankensteinable. Or something like that. Make it easily, I'm pretty sure I use Frankensteinable. So that's everything for this week's releases. I'm so excited for this week. And it's all a Kit & Jess week. So shout out to Kit & Jess because she rocks. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I'm so excited because I'm so over summer and I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for Halloween. I'm ready for Christmas. Even though we have a little bit to go. Not starting Christmas quite yet. Nope. So that's everything. I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.